This is a 7¼ inch gauge Quarry Hunslet named Bernstein. It's a true scale replica of the 1898 works number 678. So it's built to 3 5/8 of an inch to a foot scale. It's been beautifully built by a member of the Leyland Society of Model Engineers, and it took him 8 years of hard graft to build this award-winning locomotive. It all started when he acquired the full-size works drawings for Bernstein, and everything on this model has been scaled down from those drawings, even down to the number of rivets around the water tank filler. All the bearings, all the rods, all the inside valve gear has all been scaled down from the drawings. It's just a masterpiece. Everywhere you look you can see something new, you see something that you missed before. It truly is wonderful. After a quick check around the locomotive, it's time to fill up the firebox so we can get the fire going. Although this is a small locomotive, well, it's quite a big one really, it does take quite a bit of coal to get the firebox filled up. With the flame lit, it's time to pop it inside the firebox, and away it goes. Now, as you can see, the flames are popping out the firebox, and then all of a sudden, whoosh, we turn on the blower, and the flames are sucked through the tubes, and they're going to start heating up the water to raise the steam. Now we get plenty more coal on top and build a real big fire. Now we can see the pressure gauge moving up. And the telltale signs of steam is beginning to brew. A little wisp from the safety valves. It's time to disconnect the blower. Now you've got to be careful, these are very hot. And a very special adapter plate. Very clever idea. More coal goes on as we raise steam.
Yeah, look how dry it's gone now.
A quick check of the injectors. And there we are, we've hit pressure. We carefully take the steam engine off the steaming bays and go find a train and have a little bit of fun for the afternoon. After many trips around the track and lots of happy passengers, the Quarry Hunslet has performed fantastically. Again, we carefully put the locomotive into the steaming bays. This traverser is a fantastic piece of equipment, and as you can see, it doesn't take much effort to move a locomotive of this size, which is quite big really.
Hiya. Hi Peter. Hiya. Hello.
We disconnect the driving truck and move it out the way. Now we carefully move the locomotive just to the end of the rails.
Pretty sure you can make it any size you want.
Yep, let's get the brake on. And it's time to drop the fire. A quick slip of the pin and the fire's out. Not much clinker in there. Oh. There we can see the fire irons. And the locomotive gently steams down. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. Laters.